If you've been wondering how to get Hostinger for free, this video is going to show you the quickest legit way to start using Hostinger without paying up front. We're talking about opening the Hostinger website, finding the free trial option, creating your account, and then jumping straight into the AI website builder or Horizons so you can begin building your site right away. This is perfect if you want to test the platform, explore the tools, and see whether Hostinger is the right fit before you commit to a plan. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look for the website builder section because Hostinger often highlights its AI, website builder, and Horizons tools right on the main page. This is where you would usually find the fastest path to getting started for free. After that, open the AI website builder or Horizon section. This is the tool Hostinger gives you to create a website with help from AI, and it's the place where the free trial usually begins. You want to make sure you're in the correct builder flow before moving on, because that's what unlocks the trial experience. Next, click Start Free Trial. This is the key step that lets you begin without paying right away. Depending on the current setup, Hostinger may ask you to choose a starting path, but the goal is the same. Begin with the free trial so you can explore the builder first. Now, you'll need to create an account. You can usually sign up with your email address or continue with Google, which makes the process faster. If you want convenience, Google Sign-In is usually the easiest option. If you prefer keeping things separate, use your email and create a new login just for your website project. Once your account is created, Hostinger will bring you into the setup flow. From here, you can start building your site right away. This is where the AI tools become useful because you can let Hostinger help generate the layout, structure, and content for your pages. You can customize the design, change the text, add images, and adjust the style until it matches your idea. At this stage, the main goal is simply to get inside the platform and begin using it through the free trial. If you're using Hostinger to test a business idea, launch a portfolio, or create a simple landing page, this is the perfect moment to explore everything without paying up front. Just remember that free access usually means trial access, so be sure to check the terms and what features are included before you rely on it for a long-term project. If you want to continue using the site after the trial, you may eventually need to pick a paid plan, but the free trial is the best way to get started and see how it works first. So to recap, go to Hostinger, open the AI website builder or Horizons, click Start Free Trial, create your account with email or Google, and then start building your site. That's the full process. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.